Hey, well done for completing yet another module. You're really putting a lot of these belts on, like at the very beginning you were like a white belt when you first completed your first module, when you built the first things, when you built your first app, and now you're kind of getting on like towards the blue purplish sort of belts now. So I wanted to talk about another sort of thing that helps with habit building. And it's this idea of creating a cue for your habit. So if your habit is, say, that you wanted to create. So if the habit that you wanted to create was, say, do 50 press-ups every day, or go to the gym every day, or in our case, learning to code every day, then it really helps when you have a cue that you tag your habit onto. So what I mean by that, let's say that you already have a habit, right? You probably have loads of them. For me, it could be something like brushing my teeth in the mornings. So when I've tagged on this new habit I'm trying to form, like at the end of my existing habit, it makes it that much easier to do that thing that I want to do. So for example, I had a habit that I was trying to form, which is to meditate for 20 minutes every morning. And I never really managed to get around to doing it. There was always something in the way until I started saying, you know what? Every single time, every morning after I brush my teeth, I am just going to go and sit down and meditate for 20 minutes. Nothing else. And once I started doing that, it was like as if brushing my teeth was now this trigger or this cue for this other habit. And because already I brush my teeth every day, I hope you do too, then that habit kind of like just allows the next habit to build a little bit easier. So try this out. See if you already have a habit, and then try to do just half an hour of coding or an hour of coding afterwards. And see if that helps you get into the groove a little bit easier. And let me know your results. But most importantly, you've heard me say it, you're going to hear me say it again. Keep going, keep going. I'm here for you, cheering you on. And I think you're great. I think you're doing fantastic. So keep going.